Tired of sending emails with no signature or a messy one? Learn how to set up a professional email signature in Pipedrive in under 5 minutes. Here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps. We'll start by accessing your settings, then navigate to your email sync options, and finally, create a clean, branded signature that sends with every single email. Let's get started. All right, the very first thing you need to do is log into your Pipedrive account. Make sure you are on your main dashboard screen because that is our starting point. Now, look all the way over to the upper right corner of your screen. You are going to see your profile icon. It might be your photo or just your initials inside a colored circle. Go ahead and click that icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, you want to select the option that says Personal Preferences. This is where Pipedrive stores all the settings that are unique to your individual user account. Once you are inside the Personal Preferences page, take a look at the left sidebar. There are a lot of options there, but the one we need is called Email Sync. Click on that. Now that you are in the Email Sync section, make sure you are on the right tab. At the very top of the main area, you should see a few tabs. Just confirm that the Account tab is selected. If it is not, click on it. From here, scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see a section labeled Signatures. This is the part we are really here for. When you find the Signatures section, you will see a button that says Add Signature. Click that button. A new window is going to pop up. It is labeled Add Email Signature. Just give it a second to fully load. It usually opens pretty quickly, but this is one of those moments where a quick pause is totally normal. So now you are looking at the new window. The very first thing you need to locate is the field called Signature Name. This is just a label for you internally, like a nickname for your signature. It will help you find it later if you create more than one. In that field, type a name for your signature. Something simple, like professional or default, works perfectly. And here is where the real fun begins. It is time to design the actual content of your signature. This is the text and the images and the links that your recipients are actually going to see. You can type in your full name, your job title, your phone number, your company website. You can even add a small company logo or a link to your social media profiles. The editor is pretty intuitive, so you can format the text, make it bold, change the font size, and add hyperlinks. Take your time with this part. In my experience, this is where people make the biggest impact, so make sure everything looks polished and represents your brand well. All right, once you are happy with how it all looks, click the Save button. You have officially created your email signature. But we are not done just yet. We need to make sure it actually works. The best way to do that is to send yourself a test email. Compose a new message in Pipedrive. Type in your own email address, send it, and then check your inbox. Look at the bottom of the email you just received. Does the signature look right? Are the links clickable? Does the image show up? If everything looks good, you are all set. And that is it. You have just upgraded your professional communication in a huge way. Every email you send from Pipedrive will now carry that consistent, trustworthy, branded signature. Thanks for sticking with me. Now, go send some emails and make a great impression.